Hey guys, finally, back with a Hiccups video for you guys. You caught me. I literally just woke up and I'm getting ready for work. Sorry, I've got all kinds of stuff in the plate. So I'm getting ready for work and I'm just going to talk to you as I do it. So, shoot. I'm trying to do my hair and I'm trying to, oh my gosh. All right. Just trying to do my hair. My gosh, this is like definitely not a planned video. I know, I guess I'll just talk to you guys because I get a lot of requests for Hiccups videos, but my channel is about you're like, what is she doing? I just want to get this one little braid that I have here unbraided. Or is it a twist? What did I do here? Oh my gosh. And then it's like making it, I'm making it not, which is not what oh, man. I think I made a braid. Okay. This is absolutely not what I meant to do. Oh man, this is why. This was like a real stupid move. All right. All right. This was like not a smart move at all. I thought by making like a little twist, I was giving myself a good option, but no. Oh my gosh. Where's my sandals? We're gonna go outside. We're gonna go outside since maybe some fresh air is what I need. Hey guys. I got the hiccup, so I'm getting some fresh air, okay?